summer, embark on a journey of a lifetime with our exclusive tours and activities. Experience the legendary Voyage to the Falls boat tour, where you'll venture into the very heart of Niagara Falls. Feel the mist on your face as you get up close and personal with one of nature's most powerful wonders. For a magical evening, join us on the Falls fireworks cruise. Watch the sky light up with dazzling fireworks while cruising along the majestic waters of Niagara Falls. Thrill seekers, we've got you covered. Choose between the Whirlpool Freedom Jet Dry Tour, where you can stay dry while experiencing an exhilarating ride, or the Whirlpool Wet Jet Tour, for an exciting adventure down the Niagara River rapids. Explore the awe-inspiring journey behind the falls. Walk through tunnels that lead to observation decks, offering a unique perspective of the falls. Combine your journey with a visit to the Skylon Tower for panoramic views, or delve into the history with our Power Station Tour. Take your adventure to new heights with the Niagara Falls Canada Helicopter Tour. Soar above the falls and witness their grandeur from a bird's eye view. Our day and evening tours from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, and Niagara-on-the-Lake offer the perfect escape to Niagara Falls. Enjoy guided tours that showcase the best of the region, from the natural wonders to the charming local spots. For a more personalized experience, opt for our Niagara Falls Luxury Private Tour. Travel in comfort and style from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, and Niagara-on-the-Lake to Niagara Falls. Tailor your itinerary to make the most of your visit. This summer, let Niagara Falls be the backdrop to your most memorable adventures. Book your tour today and discover the magic that awaits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tour updates. Happy travels!